Today we spent $5 to make something look cool, but it came out kind of lackluster. Let's roll through this bad boy. How's it going, everybody? I'm Schmojo14 and we're taking a look today at a $5 upgrade. We're going for the Aura LED USB mood light. So this wasn't a planned video by any means, but I knew I wanted some lighting up in the back. This thing's actually meant to be a bias light for a TV, which puts a brighter image behind the TV and is supposed to relieve eye strain. Now I myself want to put it on the back of that desk over here to light up that wall. So I'm not going to go too far into this thing. It's $5 at Walmart. I mean, you can't really expect too much. USB powered from any 5-volt USB port, so it doesn't plug directly into the wall. You need to have some kind of other power source, normally the USB port on the TV. It's got 3M self-adhesive backing on the back of the LED strip itself. You just peel it loose, stick it where you need. Oh God. It says it fits up to a 65-inch TV, selection of 16 colors and 4 mood light settings. You hope sexy is going to be one of them. Remote control works from 26 feet away. If you're at 27 feet, you're screwed. Buy another one. And there's 60 RGB LED lights because you can never have too much RGB. Got a 6.5-foot LED strip, connectors, and a wireless remote. Fun fact, I had to drive one of these back earlier today because it wasn't built properly. The 4-pin RGB connector that goes into the actual housing itself, the problem with it is that it had 4 female connectors on both sides. So I know that sounds like a good time, but not when you're trying to do RGB. That's pretty funny.
It's so funny.
It's pretty funny. All right, we're gonna go ahead and unbox this thing right now. Here we go. Well, that was easy. So first thing out of the bag, USB connector. Also got your LED plug-in here, male side, which is really helpful in this situation. Next up out of the bag, 6.5 feet of LED coiled up, 3M adhesive backing on it. Looking good. Smells a little bit like tires. Some kind of propaganda. Warning, this product may exceed the doesn't matter. And last but not least in this bag of goodies, a little remote, or a clicker as you Midwesterners like to say. So the first thing with this I see that is kind of an issue, or could be an issue at least, is that there is no arrows indicating which way you can plug these connectors in. Yep, she go that way. Yep, she go that way too. That's not good. So we're gonna try to not start a house fire. Luckily I have Traveler's Insurance, not a sponsor. Let's see what she do. Nothing that way. Let's flip her around. Nothing that way. Maybe you gotta use a remote. Boy, oh boy, ain't she pretty. It's like a USB. You normally plug it in, 3rd time's a charm. Ho! Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree. Well, would you look at that? It's stuck inside the reel. Well, ain't she pretty? It's got a whole bunch of modes. Ooh, red, green, blue, white, and then a bunch of colors in betwixt. I'm not gonna go through all of them. We got a flash. Boy, ain't that nice. So I'd like to think that I'm fairly decent in English. It's my first and only language, native actually. This says strobe on it. What the hell kind of strobe is that? Next up, fade. Those aren't very different. And smooth. What in the hell is going on with this Chinesium? My God. If this is your idea of smooth, you're going to be having a bad time in college, kiddos. I am by no means a rocket surgeon, but I don't think I'd be calling that one smooth. So, we're going to shut it off. Hopefully it's bright enough we can light that wall up back there. All right, kiddos, here goes nothing. Can you see my dirty pants with holes? What made a shocking noise? Enjoy the view, guys. Next time it's gonna cost you. I think I'm gonna have to go down below. Okay, here we go. Enjoy it. Sticky, sticky. Dogs are barking. When I was a young warthog. Dogs, stop barking. I'm trying to film a YouTube video. Everything went right according to plan, gentlemen. All right, guys, how long did that take? You guys time me? I think I set a new world record. Also, if you haven't noticed, I have to move my desk to get in between the bed frame here and the desk itself. Does it look fancy? Do you guys like it? You can seriously see like this much of it? So now to make my $5 upgrade worth it, this is the new camera angle you guys are gonna get all the time. For $5, apparently the 9th one of the world can be yours too, guys. Visit your local Walmart. Get yourself the Aura LED if you want to be living it up like your boy Schmojo14. Like it, comment it, subscribe it. I'd like to say, like always, thanks for hanging out with me.